Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade braids. First, ensure your hair is freshly washed, conditioned, and completely dry. Detangle thoroughly to prevent knots and breakage during the braiding process. Apply a light leave-in conditioner or a small amount of hair oil to add moisture and make the hair more manageable. This preparation is crucial for achieving smooth, neat braids that last. Now let's create those signature sections. Use your rat tail comb to make a deep, curved side part, extending from your forehead to the nape of your neck. This part defines the direction of your braids. Next, section off your first small piece of hair near the hairline. Begin cornrowing tightly, adding small, even pieces of hair as you go, always directing the braid towards your main side part. Consistency is key for a polished look. As you continue cornrowing, it's time to add your braiding hair. Take a small piece of extension hair, fold it in half, and loop it around one of your natural hair sections. Seamlessly integrate it into your cornrow, maintaining consistent tension. This ensures your braids look full and even. Continue braiding each section all the way down to the ends, then secure with a small elastic band for a neat finish. To keep your lemonade braids looking fresh, moisturize your scalp and braids daily with a light oil or braid spray. At night, always wrap your hair with a silk scarf or bonnet to prevent frizz and maintain neatness. You can style your braids in a low ponytail, a bun, or leave them flowing for a versatile look. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.